Step into the 2008 INFINITI G35. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. INFINITI prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, front dual-zone air conditioning, and power seats. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. INFINITI ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.